Hi everyone, welcome to the Brain Booster series. And guys, in this 5 minutes, I am going to teach you very super duper trick and shortcut for the modified dice and a very beautiful question we have to discuss from the attempt September 2025. Guys, I will be using Hindi and English language, mixed language English, so that entire India, North and South can understand. आइए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं. Guys, in case of dice, like this is a normal dice 1 1 1 2 and guys 6 6 1 to 6 is a normal dice that we use in the regular life. If I ask you find the sum of if two dice are rolled, what is the probability of getting sum as 2? Aman sir, how many times we get the sum 2? Only one time. Favorable number of outcome 1 divided by 36. How many times you will get sum as 5? Aman sir, sum 5 we get 1 2 3 4 4 upon 36. But guys, if you try to make the dice, this will take lot of time. So we have drafted one trick. If you want to get the probability of getting sum is equals to, shortcut is guys, x minus 1 upon 36 if you want to get the sum between 2 to 7, and if you want to get the sum from minimum, the sum in the case of two dice is 2 and maximum the sum is 6 plus 6 12. And if you want to get the sum from 8 to 12, we will use the shortcut 13 minus x upon 36. That this is a normal trick. I want to teach you something else. Stay connected. Don't forget to like the video guys, and don't forget to drop a valuable content for the next brain booster concept. Everybody with me. Aman sir, if you want to get the sum as 2, my probability of getting sum 2 will be favorable upon total. If you want to get the sum from 2 to 7, I will put a value of 2 here. If you want to, this is the favorable sum. I want to get the sum 2 minus 1. So there is one favorable case. Total divided by the total, there is 36 case. If you want to get sum as 5, rather than making this sample space बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just put the sum. You want to get sum 5 minus 1. Favorable number of cases will be 4 upon 36. If you want to get the sum from 8 to 12, if you want to get the sum as 10 will lie in this series. Put 13 minus 10. 3 will be favorable case. Out of 36 cases, 3 times you will get sum 10 divided by total 36. Aman sir, now September 2025. What is the question guys? Very good question. Some dice with a face 4 to 9. Normal dice नहीं है, 1 से लेके 6 तक numbers नहीं है. 4 to 9 numbers है 4 guys. Numbers है 4 5 6 7 8 9. What is the probability that the two dice would have sum 14 or less? Sum will be 14 or less. Now guys, if you try to make this sample space, this will take time. And Aman sir, now we are having the fear, कितना भी तरीके से अलग अलग मॉडिफाई कर सकता है डाइस को. नाउ गेटिंग द सम 14 और लेस मार्क करना, देन गेटिंग टोटल अपॉन टोटल 36, बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा सर. नाउ दिस ट्रिक आल्सो फेल्स बिकॉज दिस ट्रिक विल वर्क इफ यू वांट टू गेट द सम from 2 to 12. Now guys, how to invent the trick if they modify the dice? If they modify the dice, guys, now see, सबसे पहले आप यहाँ पे लिमिट बनाओ. सर लिमिट हो जाएगी आपकी कहां से कहां तक. अब जब दोस्तों 4 से लेके 9 है तो मिनिमम सम विल बी 4,4 एंड मैक्सिमम द नंबर विल बी 9,9. ठीक है, तो दोस्तों मिनिमम सम आपका कितना हो गया? 4 + 4 8. अमन सर, मिनिमम सम विल बी 8 एंड मैक्सिमम द सम विल बी गाइस 9,9. 9 + 9 18. Now see guys, here what is the difference? The difference is of 5. So guys, just increase it by 5. 8 plus 5. First we will make the limit 8 plus 5. If you want to get the sum from 8 to 13, and from guys here you will get from 13 till 13 यहाँ तक, तो from 14 to 18 यहाँ तक. Amma sir, now total cases are 36, we know. Favorable. Guys, here also it will be x minus 1. Whether we will do x minus 1, no guys. मिनिमम सम यहाँ पे 2 था आपका, तो यहाँ पे आपने 1 कम रखा. वहां पे यहाँ पर आपका मिनिमम सम 8 है, सो रेड्यूस इट बाय x minus 7. गाइस, यहाँ पर आपने 13 minus x से शुरू किया. हियर मैक्सिमम सम वाज 12, हियर मैक्सिमम सम इज 18. यहाँ पे आपने 1 से इंक्रीज किया, सो इंक्रीज इट बाय 1. 19 minus x आपको फेवरेबल केस मिल जाएगा 36. सो गाइस, इवन इफ द डाइस इज हैविंग द नंबर, यदि डाइस में नंबर है 4 5 6 7 8 एंड 9, तो गाइस दिस इज द शॉर्टकट. अब उनको जितना मैनिपुलेट करना है करने दो. गाइस अगेन x minus 7 कैसे है? यहाँ पे जो भी आपका मिनिमम सम है रेड्यूस इट बाय 1. यहाँ पे अपर लिमिट गाइस, जो भी आपका मैक्सिमम सम है उसको 1 से इंक्रीज कर दो. 19 minus x. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन विदाउट गेटिंग दिस सैंपल स्पेस. हम सैंपल स्पेस बिना बनाए आंसर निकालते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई टू गेट द आंसर. अमन सर, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी द सम विल बी 14 और लेस? लेट्स मेक द लिमिट अगेन. सर डाइस में मिनिमम सम है मेरा 4,4 8 and maximum sum 9 comma 9 18, increase it by 5 guys, difference of 5 13, sir 13, and guys they have say 14. Aman sir, sum less than 14, favorable sum guys, what are the favorable sum? Sir, in case of dice say favorable sum, when the die start from 4 to 18, minimum sum is 8, favorable sum is 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14 guys. Now favorable outcomes, Aman sir, how many times you will get the sum as 8? For getting the sum as 8 to 13, you have to put here. Aman sir, what is the limit? Let's make the condition. Sir, x minus 1. X minus 1. What is the minimum sum? 8. Reduce it by 1. Favorable sum divided by 36. How many times guys? If you want to get the upper limit guys, यहाँ पे maximum sum is 18. So यहाँ पे start होगा 19 minus x upon 36. Aman sir, if you want to get the sum as 8, 8 minus 1. Aman sir, one time I will get the sum as 8. If you want to get the sum as 9, 9 minus 7, 2. Sum as 10, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 10 minus 7, 3. 11 minus 7 guys, 4. Here guys you will get 5 and here you will get 6. So you will get the sum 13 6 times. How many times you will get the sum as 14? To get the 14 sum you have to put here. Sir, 19 minus 14 sum. Another 5 times I will be getting the sum as 14. Let's count the total number of cases. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5. Sir guys, total times you will get, total you will be getting 26 guys. Favorable outcomes divided by 36 divided by 2, 213 218 guys, 13 upon everybody guys, you will get the answer 13 upon 18 is the right answer guys. If they try to modify the dice, this is how you can get the answer. I hope you like this series guys. Now whatever dice they make, you are not bound to make any kind of sample space guys. No need to make any sample space guys. I hope you like this concept. Practice once दोस्तों, एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लो एंड यू विल गेट सुपर कॉन्फिडेंस गाइस. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो. कल दोस्तों आपके लिए बेहतरीन नया ब्रेन बूस्टर रेडी है. बाय एवरीवन.